If you have Galaxy Watch 6, then there are some fantastic tips and hidden features that can really make your experience even better. In today's video, I am going to share my favorite Galaxy Watch 6 tips, tricks and hidden features that can take your usage to the next level. If you have an older version of the Galaxy Watch, then don't worry. Some of these tips are also compatible with them. But if you are new to our channel, then first check out our video on 19 things to do with your Galaxy Watch 6 for a better experience. Trust me, this video will help you a lot. Let's start with the tip and trick number 1. Measure temperature. Did you know the Watch 6 can measure the temperature of objects around you? It's mind-blowing. There is an app called ThermoCheck which allows you to use the infrared sensor on your watch to check the temperature of your surroundings. It's handy for checking the temperature of a swimming pool, sea, your food, and much more. If you want to see how we measure temperature from Galaxy Watch 6, then tap on the I button. We mention all the information about the ThermoCheck app in the video. Incoming calls and alarms are easily managed with gestures. A wristband can pick up an incoming call or dismiss an alarm or alert. Just shake your wrist to turn it on. To set up these gestures, go to Watch Settings, then tap on Advanced Features and enable the gestures you prefer. If you want to control your watch fully with gestures, then tap on the I button and watch our video. In this video, we discuss all universal gestures to control Watch 6 without touching it. I am 100% sure that you do not know about this hidden menu. To access this, open your Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Tap on Settings. Now, tap on About Galaxy Wearable. Next, tap on Galaxy Wearable 5 times and see the magic. This will reveal hidden settings. Here you will see many new options related to notification, debugging and get dump. You can also reset watch face resources here. There are many hidden options. This menu is not for general use. If you are accessing this menu, please think twice to change any setting here. You can access another secret service menu to check the sensor, screen and other things. If you are experiencing issues with your sensors or display, then this secret service is going to help you. Open your watch styler and type *#0*#, which will give you access to various buttons to check for any problems with your display, sensors, speakers and more. If you want to check the screen color, then tap on the color name. As soon as you tap on red, it will display the red color on the entire screen. There are 2 more color options available, green and blue. After this, you can tap on vibration, sensor, touch and speaker to check if they are functioning correctly or not. Do you know that you can use your Galaxy Watch as a mouse and touchpad? The special thing is that its usability is quite easy. The touchpad works just like how you use it on a laptop. Activate it, follow these steps. First, go to the menu and open Play Store. Here, search for Wear Mouse. Top of the results you will see this icon. Install it. It will take some time to install. After installing this app, go to the menu again and open the Wear Mouse app. Next, grant all the necessary permissions. If you want to watch a complete video on this topic, then tap on the I button or check the link in the description. Did you know you can rearrange apps in the app drawer? Easily organize your frequently used apps at the top for quick access. Just tap and hold an app, then drag it to your desired position. As a tech enthusiast, I frequently install new tech apps from the Play Store. That's why I will keep the Play Store in a top position. One more thing you can do to make your task easy is create a separate folder for your favorite apps. For that, you need to tap and hold the icon. Then drag it near another icon. This will automatically create a new folder. You can see on the screen how I did this. The Galaxy Watch 6 can also act as a remote for your phone's camera. This feature becomes especially handy for capturing selfies. You can do it with the help of Camera One app, which turns your watch into a remote control for your phone's camera. You can zoom in, switch lenses, record videos, and snap photos with or without a self timer. To do this, you will need to install the Camera One app from the Play Store on both your watch and connected phone. After that, you will need to grant the app the necessary permissions. Now, you can see how the watch is controlling the camera on the phone. The most remarkable thing about this is that you can still take photos on the watch even when the phone screen is off. Open the app on your phone and set everything according to your preference. Now, enjoy this feature. One of the most significant updates on Galaxy Watch 6 is the ability to transfer to a new phone without resetting your watch. In the past versions of Galaxy Watches, you need to reset the watch to connect it to the new phone. That's why it's a long-awaited feature that simplifies the transfer to a new device. If you want to know how to transfer your Galaxy Watch 6 to a new phone, then tap on the I button. Samsung Wallet on your Galaxy Watch allows you to access more than just payment cards. You can store tickets, membership cards, and other items right on your watch for quick and easy access. Samsung Wallet combines Samsung Pay and Samsung Pass into one secure platform. You can access your essentials with one swipe. If you are in a hurry and need to charge your watch faster, then plug your watch charger into your phone. Your phone will start charging your watch instantly. This one is the best way to charge the watch for those who use it heavily and drain the battery quickly. Did you already knew about this trick? Please let us know by commenting. Here's a time-saving tip that also helps with battery life. Head to the Play Store settings and tap on Auto Update apps. This way, your apps will auto-update while your watch is charging. You need to keep your watch Wi-Fi turned on. For this, go to Developer Options in Settings and turn on Automatically Enable Wi-Fi when charging. If you don't know how to activate Developer Options, then follow these steps. Tap on About Watch and then on Software Information. Here you can see the option Software Version. Tap on it 3 to 7 times to activate Developer Options. By doing this, your watch's battery will last longer. In Developer Options, you can make your watch a clock while it's charging by enabling Stay Awake when charging. This will also help you to increase its battery life and your watch will take less time to charge completely. If you want more battery saving tips, then check out the video by tapping on the I button. The watch screen size is small and it can be quite frustrating when you are texting or typing something. But don't worry, here's the solution to it. Use swipe gestures or voice to text for quick and easy responses. Swipe up from the bottom of the keyboard to activate swipe gestures and speed up your typing. Tap on the microphone icon to switch to voice to text for hands-free messaging. This option will be very useful for you if you chat using your watch. If your watch is processing slowly, then this trick will help you to increase the speed of your watch. For this, go to Developer Settings and change the animation scale to 0.5, reducing all animations by 50%. This will help you to speed up your Galaxy Watch 6. If you are in a meeting and need to check the time, then looking at your watch screen might feel embarrassing. To overcome this, Samsung has provided a great feature that allows you to know the time without looking at the screen. To check the time in meetings secretly, turn on Vibration Watch in Advanced Accessibility settings. Simply place 2 fingers on the watch face to feel the time through vibration. The watch will vibrate according to the current time. Next, I am going to explain how to set the picture as background on Galaxy Watch 6. Open the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app, then tap on Watch Faces. Now, look for the Photo Sticker Watch Face option under the Graphical Watch Faces category. You can set your favorite photo on the Watch 6 home screen with the help of the Photo Sticker Clock Face. Tap on it. This will start downloading the Photo Sticker Watch Face. After downloading, you can select it. Now, you will get the option Customize. Tap on it. Next, change the background photo. For this, tap on the Photo tab. Here you will get the gallery or camera option. After choosing the photo, you can adjust its position and size by zooming in or zooming out. Tap on Done once you are satisfied with the image. The photo sticker watch face offers 4 spots for complications. You can set them according to your preference. If you want to know about the best watch faces for your Galaxy Watch 6, then tap on I button and watch the video. You can play games on your Galaxy Watch 6. There are a bunch of games available on the Play Store for Wear OS. I have personally experienced playing games on the Watch 6 and I have found the top 7 games for you from a selection of 50 Wear OS games. Tap on the I button to discover the best games for your Galaxy Watch 6. To get notifications read out to you via your Bluetooth headphones, go to Settings, Notifications, then Advanced, and enable Read Notifications Aloud. Here you will get 2 options, Read Briefly and Read in Detail. Select according to your preference. This works only with headphones and when your watch Bixby is enabled. Galaxy Watch 6 has its own local storage. You can add your favorite music to the storage, connect your earphones and enjoy your favorite music. If you want to know how you can add music to Galaxy Watch 6, then we have a step-by-step solution video on this. Tap on the I button to watch the video. This feature is quite useful for users who have a Bluetooth variant and don't keep their phone with them. I control my music using my watch during my workouts, and this is a very useful feature for me. With the help of your Galaxy Watch 6, you can access any website. Go to the Play Store and install the Samsung browser. After installing, open it. Here, you can type anything that you want to search. The most special thing about this is that you can access social media sites like Instagram and Facebook using this browser. If you want to know how to use Facebook on Watch 6, then tap on the I button. We have already covered this topic in the suggested video. Do you also use Google Assistant as effectively as I do? I depend on Google Assistant for various tasks and it's quite useful. However, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 comes with the default Bixby Assistant. Let's optimize our interaction with the Smart Assistant. Instead of Bixby, switch to Google Assistant for a more useful and efficient experience. Go to Settings. Now tap on Advanced Features. Here you can see Customize buttons. Tap on it. Now tap on the long press to set Google Assistant. This step will help you securely store your passwords. Through password management, you can save usernames, passwords, and other data across all your devices. For Wear OS, apps like Keeper and Safe in Cloud are available on the Play Store. You can install these apps from the Play Store. For emergencies, set a custom contact to call instead of emergency services. To add custom contacts, go to the Safety and Emergency option on the watch settings. Add your emergency number here. Below this, you can see one more option, which is Fall Detection. Enabling fall detection could be a lifesaver, automatically alerting your emergency contact if a fall is detected. Next, I am going to tell you how to turn on Auto Detect Workout on your Galaxy Watch 6. Swipe up on your watch face to access the watch apps. Tap on the settings icon. Now scroll to find the health option. Here it is. Tap on it. Next, scroll to Auto Detect Workouts. Here you will see activities to detect. Tap on it. From here, you can turn on Auto Detect Workouts by tapping on the toggle button. Below this, you can select the activities to detect if Auto Detect Workouts are enabled. This feature is quite helpful for those who work out daily. Lastly, a very special feature that will help you with navigation. Install Google Maps on your Watch 6 from the Play Store. You can use Google Maps on your Watch 6 just like you do on your smartphone. It's quite easy to use. These are all the tips and tricks that I wanted to share with you in today's video. I hope you found these tips useful. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tap the notification bell to stay updated. If you want more wearable tips and tricks, then check out the related videos on Wearholic. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.